Hey YouTube, we're going to program a White and Rodgers programmable thermostat. Um, this is like the traditional staple thermostat. They all program about the same way. Now you got these new Nest ones that you can connect over the internet, but this is kind of like a standard one. First thing you need to do is, if your time's not set, you press the time button, and then you use your up and down arrows to change the time. And the date, same thing. That'll let you change the date. So if you want to make it Sunday, Friday, Saturday, that's the way you do it. Once the time is set, to get it back to regular, you hit run. Now, this thermostat can be set for the fan to run all the time, or on auto, which means it will only run when it's calling for heat or for air conditioning. Or if you want to circulate the air, you just put it on and it'll circulate the air. We have it on heat or on cool, and you can do different settings for each one. You see how that just jumped to 74, and when I go back here, it's set to 67 because I have different temperature settings for each. So if you want to set to cool, you put it to cool. The heat, you put it to heat. And what you do is, this particular one has four time settings for Monday through Friday, and then for Saturday and Sunday. So if you press program, you'll see now it's on Monday through Friday, and it's showing me the first one. So this is the time. If I wanted to switch what time that it's going to, I would turn around and hold on one sec. So you press the time button, and then I could change the time. Once you change the time to whatever time you want it to go to, 4:30, 4:45, then you go to program. You have to swing back around to it. So look, I'm back to my first setting. The easiest way to do it is actually just press run again and start over. So you hit program. If I want to change the time, I'd hit the time button. If I want to change the temperature, you change the temperature to whatever you want. So at 4:45 a.m., this is going to go to 65 degrees. You hit program again, it brings you to the next setting. At 6:15, it's going to go to 66 degrees. Same thing, if I wanted to switch this, I would press time, use my arrow buttons for the time, hit run, then I would go back to hitting program. So let's just show you again. You hit time. So if I wanted this to be 6:30, I would go to 6:30, then go run. Then I hit program once, program twice. That brings me back to here again. I'm actually going to set this back to 6:15 because that's the time I want. I hit run, program, and then hit program again. That brings me back there, and I could change the temperature by going up or down. Hit it again. That brings me to my next time function. 8 a.m. it goes to 67. At 10:30 p.m. it goes down to 65. So that's going to be from Monday through Friday. Hit it one more time, and this is for Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday, same thing. 7:30 a.m. it's going to go to 66. I could change this. If I wanted to change the time, I'd go do the same thing and go back to time. Change the temperature, same thing right there. Hit program again, it brings me to the next one. At 8 a.m., this is what it's going to go to. At 5 p.m., this is what it's going to go to. These are all for Saturday and Sunday. At 11:15, this is what it's going to go to. So every time you make a change, basically if I wanted to change this, then I turn around. If I want to change to take effect, or if I want to reset it, just go to run, and it brings you back to your original screen. So that's basically how you set this. So it's pretty simple, and it works the same way if you want to set it for cool or for heat. So it's all pretty straightforward. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.